The Vaal community is in shock and mourning as news spread about the tragic passing of Thato, a grade 12 learner at Vaal High School who was critically injured in the recent scholar transport crash. Despite her family holding on to hope and praying for her recovery, Thato sadly succumbed to her injuries on Wednesday, 21st of January 2026, leaving an unfillable void in the hearts of those who knew her. Today, friends, classmates and community members are gathered together to pay their respects, offering support and prayers to her grieving family, whose pain is unimaginable. The heartbreaking loss of such a young life has cast a heavy shadow over the community, highlighting the fragile of life and the deep connections we share with those around us. As the nation mourns, a Thato story serves as a reminder of the need for safety, compassion, and support in the face of tragedy.